We're going to be looking at bibliometry to support impact, and we'll have some video analysis and discussion as well. And I'll give full credit to Laurence. This is her topic of interest, and she's done a lot of work to prepare for the presentation today. And I'll be supporting her in whatever ways I can. But I think you're going to find it a very interesting topic, and probably learn a lot of new aspects of bibliometry that I don't think are taught in our education as scientists. So as I mentioned, it's bibliometry to support impact today. And we'll just go on. And as Laurence has mentioned before, she has a potential conflict of interest in that she is the founder of Sesame Scientific Solutions company. So the presentation today is going to start with scholarly communication. So talking about the history and the current state of communication and research, looking at citations and how they relate to bibliometric data in terms of numbers of publications and what additional information citations may or may not give. How to measure impact with bibliometrics, so being smart about how you use them and using them wisely. And then Laurence is going to give a live demo of collecting bibliometrics on Web of Science. And then in the last part of the session, we'll do a video review and analysis as a group.
Thank you, Claire. So today also the organization is a bit different than we've done in the past. So I added some little quizzes and little polls around the way so that you can participate as a group. And there will be 2 breakout rooms at the end of each main session, if that's okay with you. So for a warming up activity, I wanted to ask you a first question. And here the way to work is you can either raise your hand and participate or write a comment in the chat. So for the question one is, how do you think ancient scholars communicate those findings? So it's just to check what you know about that. So who wants to jump in first?